Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will dive into crucial topic termination protection of AWS EC2 instance. By the end of this video, you will have the knowledge and tool to safeguard your EC2 instance from accidental termination. So without wasting our time, let's get started. Before we begin, let's understand why termination protection is so important. Imagine this EC2 instance represents your vital application, database or web server. Accidentally terminating this instance could lead to data loss, service disruption and a lot of headaches. Here I will show you steps how you can enable termination protection for particular instance. So I have already logged into my AWS account and I have already selected my EC2 instance which we have previously created, demo EC2. So to enable EC2 instance termination protection, I will show you the steps. So first of all, you have to click on your EC2 instance or you have to select your EC2 instance. Then go to this actions and here you will find instance setting. And in the instance setting, you will see that change termination protection. So click on it and you will see instance ID, and here you will see the termination protection which is default, which is not enabled. So we'll click on this enable and click on the save. Now it says successfully enabled termination protection for instance. The instance cannot be terminated. So now we have done termination protection, but let's verify it. So I have already selected this instance and now I will go to instance state and click on terminate instance, and I will click on terminate. So here you can see fail to terminate an instance. The instance may not be terminated. Modify its disable API termination instance attribute and try again. So now this instance is protected. No one can by mistakenly terminate this instance. So if you really want to terminate this instance, you have to go to instance setting, change termination protection, and you have to disable it. Then someone can terminate this instance, but we want this instance for our future videos, so we are not going to terminate it. This is where termination protection comes into play. It acts as a safety net, preventing accidental termination and gives you a peace of mind. Congratulations, you have successfully mastered termination protection for your AWS EC2 instance. With this safeguard in place, accidental termination will become a thing of the past. Remember, always enable termination protection for critical instances and double check before terminating any instance, even without protection enabled. Prevention is better than dealing with the consequences later. So that's it for the video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow DevOps learner, and subscribe to our channel for more practical and easy to understand tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy protecting. See you in the next video.